This 2025 K-Z Durango Gold G366FBQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, skylight, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, slide-out, DVD player, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Durango Gold G366FBQ is 13,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.